Hey everybody, we're Group 12, Team Fibonacci, and welcome to our Just Roots Greenfield experience. We're pleased to have been able to complete our volunteer leadership project with this organization and can't wait to tell you a little bit more about what they do. Just Roots is a nonprofit farm and food-based social justice organization out of Greenfield, Massachusetts. One of their main goals is to use community outreach to increase the knowledge and demand surrounding local farming and agriculture. They have both paid and volunteer workers, as well as members of the community who share garden space on their property. We arrived at the farm around 9 a.m. and met with our contact Meryl, who was the head of the farm, as well as her two apprentices. They told us a little bit about the farm and what they did, but before long, we were getting right into work. They took us to a plot of land that they called Rhode Island and taught us a process called sheet mulching. It began with us breaking down tons and tons of cardboard boxes, taking off all the plastic and anything that wasn't biodegradable. After we broke down each box, we carefully laid down each piece of flat cardboard over one another and made sure that no sunlight would penetrate down through to the grass. The end goal is that over time, the cardboard would break down, provide carbon, draw worms to the surface, and make a fertile soil that was completely organic. It took a lot of work, and in the end, we actually only had enough cardboard to finish about 40% of the plot. But here, I can take some time to talk about civic engagement. Civic engagement is when regular citizens act alone or together to protect public values or to make a change and a difference in their community. Civic engagement is important because it takes people who are not normally engaged in these activities and makes them frontline leaders of change. It shows that you don't have to have a career in sustainability or progressive environmental measures to actively participate in these kind of efforts. Sustainability is so important, and Merrill defines sustainability as the combination of what is best for you as well as what is best for the environment. The work that we did for Just Roots was prep for the future. A couple seconds ago, you saw us clearing out a forest classroom where we were moving dead trees and we even had to cut down a tree. We were working so hard that we broke a shovel, but in the end, seeing all the results of our hard work really paid off. We chose Just Roots because it seemed like a great small organization, but we had no idea how large of an impact they actually had. Just Roots has over 250 members of its CSA program, which means that over 250 families from the Greenfield and surrounding communities are provided fresh produce by this organization. Research shows that CSA members are typically women who are highly educated as well as affluent. The majority of the members are motivated to participate in CSA by a concern of the environment and a desire for locally grown and high-quality produce. Although CSA farming generates such positive results in the community, research conducted in the Pioneer Valley of Massachusetts shows that CSA farmers are doing generally better than other farmers across the country, but they still earn far less than the median national income of all households. Everybody should support local farms and buy local produce. Thank you so much to Just Roots in Greenfield, Massachusetts. We had a great time and couldn't have picked any better organization to work with.